Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. In this video, I will guide you through one of the most effective and easy exercises to fix your neck posture. Now, let's get started. There are many neck and shoulder exercises, but this one is essential. The exercise itself is easy and convenient. It can be done anytime, anywhere. But it can help fixing neck hump, forward head posture, hunchback, tag neck. This exercise has 3 variations and they build on each other. Sit or stand upright. Shoulders are relaxed. And tuck the chin slightly, lengthening through the back of the neck. Hold the chin for 5 seconds or 3 breaths. If this is strenuous, start with 3 repetitions and eventually make it to 6, maybe 10 as a set. Gradually, the muscles on the back of the neck will become stronger and it will help you to cultivate that good habit of keeping the neck in its neutral position. Each time you tuck the chin, visualize you're building more space between each vertebrae. To take this to the next level, hold your palm over your forehead. Press your forehead against the palm. The palm is holding the head back. You don't have to use 100% of the pressure. Some would around 80% will do. Each time, hold for 5 seconds or 3 breaths. Again, do 10 repetitions. The third one, and more advanced, interlace your fingers at the base of your skull. The pinky fingers pressed over the wind pull and wind mention point. While stimulating these powerful points, give your head an upward lift. Tuck your chin and press your head against your hands. Hold for 10 seconds or up to 5 breaths. Again, do 10 repetitions. Once you're finished, do a couple of gentle stretch. Send one elbow up, back to center, then other elbow up. Back to neutral, hug the elbows in, forward flexion. Open up the back of the neck. Big breath in, release the arms down. Do this exercise as often as you can remember, many times a day. You can literally do it anytime, anywhere, even when you're in the kitchen. And it is especially helpful during exercise to keep correct alignment or at your computer. When practice QiGong, we emphasize always keep the chin slightly tucked to preserve and guard your qi, your vital life force energy. This positive practice will go a long way in helping your neck muscles to become stronger, to cultivate the good neck posture, release bad habits. It only takes about 30 days of regular practice for the habit to set in. At least that is what happened to me. The neck tuck or the chin tuck will help you strive to keep a nice and neutral neck position. That is when the ears are directly aligned above the shoulders. Friends, hope you found this video is helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Do share this video with family and friends. Sharing is caring.